In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. We'll walk through how to create a custom date field in your list view, add dates to your tasks, and then show those dates on your calendar so you can plan your work exactly the way you want. Start by opening the list view that contains the tasks you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct space or folder and that you can see your tasks laid out in a table with columns like task name, assignee, and due date. We're going to add one more column to this view. At the top of your list, look for the option to add a new column. It usually appears as a small plus or add column icon on the right side of your existing columns. Click that icon to open the list of column types you can add. From the options that appear, choose the date field type. This tells ClickUp that you want this new column to store dates, not text or numbers. As soon as you click date, you'll be prompted to name your new field. Type in the name of the custom date you want to track. For example, you might call it publish date, review date, or anything that makes sense for your workflow. Use a clear, specific label so that later, when you see it on your calendar, you immediately know what it represents. Once you're happy with the name, click Create to add this new custom date field to your list. You'll now see a new column in your list with empty date cells next to each task. Click into one of those empty date fields. A date picker will pop up, allowing you to select the exact date you want for that task. Go through your tasks and add the appropriate date for each one. This step is important because only tasks with dates set will appear correctly on your calendar. When you're done assigning dates, switch over to your calendar view in ClickUp. Open the same location where your list lives and choose the calendar option. Once the calendar loads, look for the settings or options icon, usually in the corner of the calendar. Click on that to open the calendar settings. Inside the settings, find the section labeled Task Dates. This is where you control which date fields the calendar uses. You'll see toggles for your standard date fields, like due dates, and you should also see the custom date you just created. If you want, you can turn off other date fields, but that's optional. The key thing is to turn on the toggle for your new custom date field. After enabling it, close the settings. Now, when you look at your calendar, you should see your tasks appearing on the dates you set for that custom field. For example, if you created a publish date field, your tasks will now show up on the calendar according to their published dates, giving you a clear, customized schedule that matches your workflow.